Set against the picturesque backdrop of Lake Pleasant Regional Park and the Calderwood Buttes, Northlands by Taylor Morrison offers thoughtfully designed homes in the builder's popular Encore, Passage, and Summit collections. Northlands is a truly special community that home buyers are destined to love. The neighborhood possesses outstanding scenic views in all directions, as well as access to some of the West Valley's best shopping, dining, and entertainment. Home buyers will fall in love with the diverse selection of floor plans available at Northlands, all designed to fit the needs of today's most discerning buyers. Stunning gourmet kitchens, secluded master suites, spacious great rooms, junior master suites, and more await you at Northlands, where home prices start in the 200,000s. In addition, 3 on-site community parks are sure to keep residents of all ages entertained. Conveniently located just north of the Loop 101 in Peoria, Northlands is within proximity of many of the Valley's larger employment centers. The community is also part of the Peoria Unified School District, offering school-aged children specialized signature programs, championship athletic activities, and award-winning teachers. Known as one of the Valley's best home builders, Taylor Morrison is committed to building the homes Arizona families want in the locations they desire. For more information on Northlands or any of Taylor Morrison's many other Valley-wide neighborhoods, please visit www.taylormorrison.com.